Have you ever wondered how you can make money with Amazon? Yes, the internet giant that has become a staple in our everyday lives. Imagine tapping into Amazon's potential, leveraging its massive user base, and exploring diverse revenue streams. It's not just a marketplace, but a platform teeming with opportunities for the savvy entrepreneur, from selling products to affiliate marketing, self-publishing, merchandising, and even web services. Amazon has a plethora of ways to earn. If you're intrigued, stick around. We're delving into the nitty-gritty of making money on Amazon. First and foremost, selling products. Amazon is a marketplace, after all. Now, let's dive right into the process of becoming an Amazon seller. Think about this as setting up your own little shop in the bustling digital market that is Amazon. The first step is to register as a seller. You'll need to provide some basic information like your business name and address, bank account details, and tax information. Now, once you've got the paperwork out of the way, the fun part begins. Choosing your products. Remember, Amazon is a vast sea of goods and services, so your products need to stand out. You could go for something unique, a product that fills a niche, or you could choose something more common but with your own unique twist. The key is to do your research, understand your competition, know your target audience, and choose products that you believe in. Next, let's talk pricing. Setting competitive prices is a delicate dance. You want to make a profit, but you also don't want to scare away potential customers. It's a good idea to keep an eye on what similar products are selling for and price yours accordingly. And remember, pricing isn't static. You can always adjust as you go along in response to market trends, customer feedback, or changes in your cost structure. All right, you've chosen your products, set your prices, and now you're ready to start selling. But there's one more thing, perhaps the most important: maintaining a good seller rating. Your seller rating is like your reputation in the Amazon community. It's influenced by factors like the quality of your products, your customer service, and how promptly you fulfill orders. A good seller rating can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers. Selling products on Amazon is a tried and true method, but it's not the only way to earn on the platform. And there you have it, folks. That's the nuts and bolts of selling products on Amazon. But hold on, we're just getting started. There are plenty more ways to make money with Amazon, so stick around. We'll dive into those in the next segments. Scene script. Next up, the Amazon Affiliate Program. This is a great way to monetize your online presence. So what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Now let's talk about the Amazon Affiliate Program, or as it's officially known, Amazon Associates. It's one of the largest and most successful online affiliate programs, with over 1 million registered members worldwide. This program allows you to advertise and link to Amazon products and earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases and programs. So how do you become an Amazon affiliate? First, you need to have a website or a blog. This is where you'll be promoting the products. Your site should have a specific focus, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, books, or anything else you're passionate about. Once you have a website or blog, you can apply to the Amazon Affiliate Program. Once accepted, you'll be given a unique affiliate ID. You can then start adding Amazon affiliate links to your site. Now, how do you earn money? Every time someone clicks on one of your Amazon affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the product category, but it can range from 1 to 10% of the purchase price. The beauty of the Amazon Affiliate Program is that it's not just about direct sales. Even if a customer doesn't buy the specific product you linked but makes other purchases within a 24-hour window, you still earn a commission. So there you have it. The Amazon Affiliate Program is a proven way to monetize your online presence. It allows you to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in and would recommend to others. The Amazon Affiliate Program is a fantastic way to earn passive income, but there's more to explore. Scene script. Are you an aspiring author? Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing could be your ticket to success. Imagine having the ability to publish your own book, set your own price, and earn royalties. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP as it's fondly known, that dream can become a reality. Let's start from the beginning. You've penned down a masterpiece. Now what's next? The first step is to create a KDP account on Amazon's website. Once that's done, you can upload your book. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information like the title of your book, your name as the author, and a description of your book. Next, the all-important aspect, pricing. With KDP, you have full control over your book's price, and here's the best part. You can earn up to 70% in royalties on sales to customers in several countries. That's right, 70%. But it's not just about the money. One of the most significant advantages of self-publishing with KDP is the global reach. Your book can be instantly available to millions of readers worldwide. That's a kind of exposure hard to come by with traditional publishing. Moreover, you retain control over your rights. You're not signing away your work to a publisher. You decide when and where your book is sold. That's the power of digital publishing. And let's not forget the speed. Your book can be available on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours of publishing. Compare that to traditional publishing, which can take months, if not years. So whether you're an established author looking to branch out or a newbie taking your first steps in the world of publishing, KDP can provide a platform to share your words with the world. Kindle Direct Publishing is a powerful tool for authors, but Amazon has opportunities for creatives of all kinds. For the artists and designers out there, Merch by Amazon is a platform to watch. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell your custom designs on Amazon's worldwide marketplace. Imagine having your artwork on t-shirts, hoodies, or even pop sockets, reaching millions of customers around the globe. It's a dream come true for any creative soul, isn't it? Here's how it works. You start by choosing the type of product you want to put your design on. This could be anything from a standard t-shirt to a premium hoodie, depending on what you think your design will look best on. You then create your design using any digital tool that you're comfortable with. Think about what would appeal to your target audience, and don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild. Once you're happy with your design, you upload it to the Merch by Amazon platform. You'll need to ensure your design meets Amazon's content policy, so be sure to read through that before you get started. You'll also set the price for your product at this stage. You might want to research what similar products are selling for to ensure you're pricing yours competitively. After you've set everything up, your product is listed for sale on Amazon, and you start earning royalties for every item sold. The best part? Amazon takes care of production, shipping, and customer service, leaving you free to focus on your next design. The potential to earn with Merch by Amazon is impressive. Successful designers can make a nice income from their creative work, but remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of creativity to build a profitable portfolio of designs. And here's a pro tip. Don't limit yourself to one design or one type of product. Experiment with different designs and products to find what works best for you and your audience. Merch by Amazon is a brilliant way to monetize your creativity, but let's not forget about the tech-savvy among us. Last but not least, Amazon Web Services. If you're tech-savvy, this could be your gold mine. Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short, is a comprehensive, evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. It's not just about storage. AWS offers over 175 fully featured services from data centers globally. Now you must be wondering, how can one make money with AWS? Well, it's not just about using the services, it's also about providing them. If you have the know-how, you can offer cloud services to businesses who need it, and trust me, there are many. But that's not all. AWS also offers a technical partner program. If you have the technical skills, you can offer support to other AWS users and get paid for it. You could be the go-to person for all things AWS, and there's good money in that. Amazon Web Services is a lucrative field for those with the skills, proving that Amazon truly has something for everyone. So there you have it, 5 different ways to make money on Amazon. We've explored selling products, leveraging the Amazon affiliate program, self-publishing with Kindle Direct Publishing, Merch by Amazon, and Amazon Web Services. Each method holds a treasure trove of opportunities ready to be unlocked by those who dare to dive in. Remember, the key to success on Amazon, as with any venture, is dedication and smart strategy. So why wait? Start your Amazon journey today.